Okay, here's PowerDirector version 16, and I have a text here, and I want to change the distance between these two lines of text. So I want to close this large gap between the two lines. To do that, let's double click on the text itself here on the timeline. Double click on that one. Okay, and on this window, here on the font paragraph, in this section we have this option, set line spacing amount. It has a double vertical arrow there. Okay, so first of all, select both of the lines, both the upper and the lower line of text, and come here to this one, set line spacing. And if you select a positive value, notice the distance is increasing between the two lines, and if you select a negative value, then the distance is getting smaller. Okay, so let's select, let's say 8, minus 8, close it with OK, and that's it. The gap was closed a little bit, so both the lower and the upper lines are closer. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.